23 generations before, we were all belongs to one family. We are the children of one person. When you are walking in the forts, you can see there are so many Ganeshas in front of the houses.
Hello.
Mukul ki badi, which is been finished. But I can show you.
Yep.
Come quickly.
Yes.
One second. And feel like a family. You are part of our family. So be happy here, enjoy here.
Justal Jaisalmer organizes different activities and tours for the travelers staying at Justal. One of the activities is fort walk at night, which is free of cost. Justal owner Pradeep Vyas took us to the narrow alleys inside the fort and narrated the history of the fort, people and culture. This video is the first part of the fort walk. This is not a paid or sponsored video, just another new travel experience for me. Let's go for the walk and listen to Pradeep ji.
Where we are staying in the fort. Itself is 867-year-old. Is English is good for everything? Yes. The street where we are living now, where is our doctor, is 642 years old. These houses which you look at, these are the 642 years old. Basically what was happened from 1902 or 3, from 1902 to 3 till 1975, 78, 79, there was nothing here. Big crisis of water, big crisis of food, no rain, people being hustles for everything. Even for drinking water, they were bringing from 24 kilometers. Just for living life, having water, they bringing from 24 kilometers. So in that time it was hard to survive here. So people left from here, people go from here. Like this family go Maharashtra, they go to MP, some people get connection with to go to Gujarat, some people go to Maharashtra, whatever, wherever they get sources to get little money, they just go there because they have to survive themselves, live. In that time my family they choose to go in the desert. So we've been living in the desert all these years, but we are belongs to this property. I own this place, so we have these places, we have that places, that full of the building is over. So when tourism comes, I meet my godfather, mother, and they help me. They teach us, they educated us a little bit in tourism, and then they support also financially because we don't have money here. Long time fighting with everything, people being empty, they were living life, that's all. So we start and come back here and start to be able to. And I start to work with many people. This family, they come 12 years back and they settle here. So they were living in Maharashtra, they come back here, they start to work here, they have little shop here, they're living upstairs. So they've been living and working together in this. You know, they don't have to pay anybody. This is normal. And it happened with many people in the fort. So from 1903 to till 1975, 78 years, after that tourism started. We are counting like 1980, tourism starts slowly, little people coming. Tourism becoming really young age in 95. From 95 to till 2019, we are having a tourism up and up and up. So everybody been using tourism. You feel little bit city become touristic place. Yes. People easy to do the business. People can have little business. People can make a guest house. People can make a office. People can make a shop. People can make a little cafe. They can survive themselves. They can have own business. But in that time, when this period was 75 years, nobody was living here. What was the wrong happened in this fort? All the roof of houses which you can see, they've been broken. Because there is animals called, whenever you don't understand, you can ask me a question. I love to answer. So there are terabit, you know that animal? Termites.
Termites, yeah.
Termites. Those animals will eat the wood because that's every year when we have Deepavali festival, I think you know. When there's Deepavali festival means they have to do color, they have to clean and everything. So long nobody was living here. So nobody was carrying that. So ceiling of the houses has been gone. So So many houses you can see old, but they don't have a roof.
Okay.
The reason was animals eat that. So when people are coming, like Jostle, we have it. It was a mess. It was fell down all the roof and everything. So we rebuilt it and we use the stone now. So now when they are doing new constructions, they're putting the stones in that. Even in this old house, you can see how the roof looks like in the past. Can go inside and have visited. Sorry. Please, if you want to look it, you can. Otherwise, you can carry on. You see the houses which don't have a roof. You see this terrace. There was roof with wood ceiling. And then they put the cow dung and mud together on, make a lake of it and put it in. So they've been protected from that animals.
Right.
This house has been new, so you can see there are stone on in the ceilings.
Right.
Like this is a new construction, but the people take it positive way. They make it a little bit old architect in the front. They start guest house there, start shop. So they will install. This house is completely yeah, this is very because the fort is built on a hill. So there are automatically yeah, land system. Yellow stone. These are the original house. Even in the past, they were using the stone. So this building has a terrace and everything. So they were using the stone in that. Because in the past, stone was not from the land. Now we have machinery to take the stone from the land. But in the past, it was very hard to take the stone. Very people hard work, then they get piece of stone like this. And then there is a carving. That was expensive, more than that. So only people when they were living here, they live for a name. So they want to build one house to memory. Even all these buildings, when they build it, there was fully crisis. There was no money in here. Because there was nothing source, no any source to build it here, any money. Even people in that poorness, they make this nice houses and build a nice place. You can see here, front of the house there is a space. We call them ota. In the past, people don't allow to directly in the house. When the guests are coming, they are coming front in the ota. They sit down here, offer them chai, coffee and everything. Now it's little bit unpolite to sitting outside and get connected. But in the past it was normal because there was no tourism, there was no other people. Fort was itself a like family and everything, so there was no any hassles. This is the archetype of houses. People, guests coming, they can be here. And people are more closer than we bring them here. When you enter in the house, there is a left side. Also in the reception of Jostle, when you can see. When you enter, left side there is a rooms, like where they have reception. So always entry and left side there is a place to take a rest, break. People can come, guests can stay there. And then when you enter inside, then right side there is a kitchen. Little lobby, open space. That's the normal archetype. If we get the chance on the way, I can show you one of the nice old houses, so you can visit it and you can take photos. Yes. These were the balconies. It was basically good conversations. People can talk from balcony to balcony.
Can you just imagine what this would have been like? 200 years ago?
Now, 3,700 people living in the fort. In the fort, 3,700 people, they are presently living. And there are altogether voters are 1,600.
Those are Rajput or Brahmin.
No, there are 80% people who live in the fort, they are Brahmin. Where we are going now, this is all belongs to one generation. There is one family. 22 generation, no, sorry, my generation is 23. 23 generation before, we were all belongs to one family. We are the children of one person, that's called Nauji. Who had the first, Nauji has a 9 children, and we are the generation of that 9 children. So it meant all in one family. It was only one family who living in the. So there are 84% people who are drunk. And they all are mixed together. When you are walking in the fort, you can see there are so many Ganeshas in front of the houses.
Hello.
All the houses there is a Ganesha. If there is any questions you want to ask it, why there is Ganesha? Why everybody put the Ganesha? Yes. Okay. So basically, in your countries or in the cities where you live in, marriage becomes shortly. Now marriage is one day, maybe few hours. That's all. Here still marriages are 4 days. People getting married for 4 days. First day, that is the day of Ganesha. We pray to Ganesha, we invite the Ganesha, thank the Ganesha, and then we invite the Ganesha basically. Ganesha is coming in our house, that we believe in that. Because Ganesha is the God to make the people get together. Marriage, new work, new jobs, new factory start. If you do anything new, we pray Ganesha. So, first we pray Ganesha. Then we drink the Ganesha and the rites, the dates and the people name, which is the date marriage. In this 11 June 2015 there was a marriage, 2 July 2018 there was a marriage. So it is an invitation. Now we have paper, we invite you, then I write you later or write your invitation. But in the past it was not. We write it here, it means this is the program in our house and you are invited in my house. You don't have to go every house, this is formality. We don't believe in formality, we live in a reality. So all people are brothers and sisters and everything. So they just write their things, they mention their things, and then everybody's are come, they can join it. There is a society place where they make the food, lunch, breakfast, dinner. Automatically you go, even if there are 10 people in my house, they are my guests, I have to bring them there. They will cook and they will feed everybody. So when, same thing, in Jostle we have, whenever there is marriage, we go all people together in the marriage. So this is the way we do celebration. So first day they invite the Ganesha, paint the Ganesha here. Second day there is an invitation coming from the girl's family. They write everything. This is the girl who is going to be married, that boy's name is this, that, father name is that, everything is there. And then that is the means like marriage is now being deal. Now marriage will be not stopped, anything happen. Yeah. So in that case there is invitation coming from the girl's family, they will do these things. That invitation has to read in front of all the family. In that means that all the family being involved, all the family being, like we can say, they are the, fluids. Okay, I was there when it happened, something like this. So that means now tonight we go with the horses to the family of the girls being celebrated, marriage tonight. And then next day there are the boys' family bring the girls in the first time in the boys' house. Means girls is coming on the 4th day morning in the boys' house. And that night there is a celebration from the boys' family. They invite all the girls' family, they invite all the parents, friends, brothers, sisters. So normal dinner, last dinner is between 2,000, 2,500, 3,000 people are dinner. That's normal. Our normal dinner in my family when we are celebrating something, there are 400 people. Normal. Any little birthday, 400 people. That's normal. 350 people. That's normal. Because we count all the brothers and everything, we are near about 62 people. This is a big family. And positive part, nice part of that family. It belongs to a big family. Please, any questions? Please ask me. I love to answer.
So your family is within this fort only, or the outside fort is there?
We are the people who living in the fort. They all are brother. One. Even the family of us, they living outside the fort. Because there was a crisis come. Fort is limited. There is a house is limited. You cannot be make them bigger and bigger and bigger. So many people they go outside. Like one of his family people, they living outside the fort. And they are belongs to same blood. They are 2 generations before they were brothers and everything. They were living upper part, they living down part. But now they have to go outside. To one of them use fully house, and other one go outside and will be living. So also still my family also people living outside. ओए ये बढ़िया बाबू ये गली में एकदम हमें चुप हो जाओ एकदम थोड़ी देर बगैर चुप हो जाओ ओ एकदम बंद कर देना so there is a questions coming these are the Jain temples and how the Jain temple has been built it here even people who are not living here little questions coming in the mind are you with us or somewhere else so the question is when the people are coming here when there was karma coming and the silk route was open that time the Jain people they were people who were doing business so when these peoples were coming here they do business and they stay here for 10 days 12 days 15 days 1 month sometimes more than 1 month so when they were living here they want to pray and there was no temples so they personally request to royal family and ask the Jain temple permission then they built the one wall of the fort now this is the fort and after the fort there is another wall which is now disappeared people are they take the stones and everything they destroy that wall but in the past that wall was hello so those wall was protected because city became larger. In that time, from 140 years, 50 years back, people start to live outside the fort. That time they made the wall and everything, so people can be go outside and also they've been protected. There was a 4 gates in 4 corners of the fort. So they were the guard, people were guarding there, and then people can be safe inside. Because everybody had a fever, like people will come and attack on us, kill us and take the money, gold and everything. So they want to be a privacy, they want to be live with the society and everything. So that's why they make that another wall and they protect that wall. And so city which you looking now outside the fort, most of them, 90% of the city is built 40 to 70 years back, not before that. Patwa Haveli, Natmal Haveli, Salan Singh Haveli, Rasleela, these all the places have been built before. Because in that time there are people who were the merchant people who were the worker of royal family, the उसको क्या बोलते हैं मंत्री को what do you call it minister of royal family and everybody who people were close to royal family they had a havelis and that so those people still they have haveli which we call Patwa Haveli, Natwal Haveli, Salan Singh Haveli, Baki Haveli. In this Jain temples we have 5,427 or 28 statues. Whenever people have wish, Jain people when they are coming here and they have wish, then they wish here, pray here, and they get success in that, or they get that success in their life. They come back here and they put the one statue, and they come and big ceremony to put the blessing, thanks to God and put the new statue. So now it's almost full. Now one down and now they are putting also some of the statues are upper than that because they don't have so much place. So these were the Jain stays. People are coming. These are the places for they take a shower and everything. There's a big house. The Jain people are coming here, shower here, and then they normally when they go to prayer they have to take shower. So there's a place to take shower and everything and then they come. There is any question?
So generally all the people who is living here they practice Jainism or they have
Nobody living in the fort who are Jain religious. No.
okay.
People who live in the fort is only Brahmin. 85%, 90% people is Brahmin. 5 to 10% people, 12% people, they are warrior. Some of them, they were soldiers and some of them peoples or generation of the peoples who were the prostitute in the past. So now it's everybody's are common. Everybody have, this normal life, simple life. But in the past, they are the generation of them. So there was one part who were living, prostitute women were living there. So that was in past, not now. Today is everybody's are equal. So there is no need. Okay?
And hundreds of years ago, you had an army here to protect it.
No. Actually, the people who were living here, they were the army. Like people who were living in the fort, they were the soldiers. They were, when there's a problem come, all the people will come together and they fight. Because they have to protect themselves, they have to save themselves. So whenever I attacked on you, you will automatically come and fight with me. Same thing. People are coming here for attack and people all come together and they fight together. So there was no any other army or anything. Army we started, the border of India and Pakistan was open. Not more long ago, 35 years ago, I was go by walk on horses or camels to go to Pakistan and come back. 35 years back. India and Pakistan border has been closed at last from 25 years. Only 25 years. 1990, that was the end time to market was open and people cannot go and come back. But before that, everybody was. I came myself on horses or camels.
How long would it take?
Overnight journey from here to go on border because my village is already 70 kilometers far from here. If supposedly you've been on a village of you've been on a desert safari.
Yeah.
So that is the place where we come from. And further, the border is only 120 kilometers. So it's only 1 night journey from horses to go there. Where are you from?
Oh, we're from New Zealand.
New Zealand?
Oh.
So where are you from? आपने बताया था
Kolkata?
I was thinking you are from Calcutta. I don't know why.
I'm coming from Bangalore, but basically from
Originally
Kolkata.
roots from Calcutta.
Yeah.
So please, any question or we can carry on.
Who's the king who built this fort?
I think it's more nicer when we go front of the palace, then I will tell about everything. So you will keep it in mind. Is it okay?
Yeah, sure.
Otherwise you will forget and you will not enjoy it. You see this building, you know the big building in the center. Can you see it? This building, fully walled. And this was the entry of that building. People living surrounding it, this building. This was a storeroom. Now we can go to market and buy anything from the market. But in the past, everybody can hear me. Now we can go to market and buy anything. In the past, it was not so impossible. So when there was salesman was coming, royal family buy any quantity, all the things, and keep it a store here. As people being more and more requirement, they're giving to people. Everybody have a card. And they are writing and everything and the limited food they can get it. And it built in the center of the fort, so people can protect it. People living in this area, people living there, people living there. So they first have to attack and kill the people who are enemy, and then they protect the food and everything. This was the place for store, food and everything was living here. There is 1, 2, 3 floor. पकड़ लगाओ। You see, this is the same part, and this was the way to go through one to another. Now we are going another part, which is also belongs to storeroom. What is it called? Empty. Yeah, it's the property of royal family. Just keep it empty. And the royal family still live here. Yes, yes. Not in the fort. They're living outside the fort. Oh. But they're living in the desert. Yes.